Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change shape color on Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word. Now from here open any document. You can see in my document a shape is already created. Also if you want to make a new shape, just click on Insert tab, and here you can see shapes option, then just click here. And here you can see so many shape style. If you want to create this shape style, just select it and then just drag it, and that way you can easily create a new shape on Word. Now if you want to change this shape color, you have to just select it, and here you can see shape fill option, then just click here, and that's it. Now from here you can change your shape color. Here you can see so many colors and you can choose any color as you like. Here you can see theme colors, and here you can see standard colors. Also if you want to get more fill colors, just click here, and here you can see two options, standard and custom. You can choose any option as you want. If I select custom and then choose any color and then click on OK, and that's it. You can see the shape color has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change shape color on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.